So I am here to film an unboxing for some hair that I recently received. Received as in like my parents brought it to me for Christmas. Yes. So let's get into it. Okay. Hey guys. So the hair that we will be talking about today, sorry, I gotta get that I have to get that little bit over my shoulder. So the hair that we'll be talking about today is Mayvenn hair. So I got 3 bundles. 2 20s and 122. You know. I may get one more bundle. I'm not sure, but we'll see. But yes, so this is the packaging. I'll just show you one bag for now. This is the packaging that it came in. A nice little silk bag. Just says Mayvenn right here. And then on this little sticky, it just shows that it is Brazilian Natural Straight. Well, actually, I'm sorry, it's upside down. B&S for Brazilian Natural Straight in 20 inches. And so let's open it. It has a nice little drawstring, so you can, close it up and things like that. I like that because, for future reference, if you want to, like, take your hair out and put it back away, or new hair, put it away, then you could put it, like, store it in these baggies, which makes it better than just throwing it away, like throwing it in a bin or something, Okay. So this is the hair. This is the 20-inch. This is how it looks. This is the weft. So a good amount of hair on the weft. Nice and silky. I do love the luster. It is like, it's not high luster. It's not, it's like a medium luster. Not too much shine, but it's still a nice little sheen. The only thing that bothers me, and I haven't washed this hair yet, so if this may go away once I wash it, but it's kind of like, as you can kind of see, it's like some flyaways all the way down. So yeah, we'll see about that. I'm gonna wash it soon. Not any tangles. I'm running my hands through it. No shedding, and I run my hands through it for like a few times now. Like the first day I got it, I'm so excited when I get new hair, and I honestly don't buy hair as often as people might think. I usually wear the same hair over and over again, and it might just look different. But yeah, so I'm always excited when I get new bundles. It's no smell, like no smell at all. Just nice, clean hair. It's no smell. But it smells nice. The ends are nice and full. Nice ends. I've had hair with bad ends. This is nice. So it's pretty full from root to tip. Nice bounce. Look at. So this is the 20-inch. So this looks very true to length. See? Yeah. This is a good one. Okay. So let's put that down. Let's look at the other 20 and see how that one looks. All these bundles pretty much look the same. I've already taken them out and looked at them. Okay, so this is the next 20-inch. And honestly, guys, I'm only getting my hands caught a little bit because I had it crazy stored in the bag. So this is the next one. Just nice bounce. This is the weft. Nice weft. And once you start to get longer bundles, like once they're over 20 inches, you're not going to get as much on the weft because you're getting it in length. So yeah. But this is, I like this hair so far. Like I said, I really like the luster because I'm not really like a super shiny hair person. I like it to look, as natural as possible, kind of. Again, with the flyaways, we'll see how it goes with that. Hopefully, like I said, when I wash and condition it, it will go away. But we'll see. But yes, again, full from root to tip. Nice ends. The ends are so nice. Nice ends. They're not fried, which is what I like. Okay, and this is the last bundle. This is the 22-inch. As you can see, a little longer. This is actually probably the smallest bundle. You can tell that it's small. Look how small it looks from the top. But of course it's 22 inches, so I don't expect it to be like a whole bunch of hair on the weft. If it is, that's great, thank you. Okay, but that's fine. The flyaways again. I really hope these go away. I really do. I hate when hair stands up on like, I hate it. So, again, there is no shedding, which is awesome. Hair is very silky, very smooth. Nice bounce again. And yeah, I am thinking about getting a fourth bundle. I really just like my hair to be full. I'm also gonna get a closure, definitely, because I haven't worn leave out in a long time. And it just, my hair is natural, so the way my hair will look with this, I don't like to put heat on it. I don't put heat on my natural hair at all. I just am always afraid that it's gonna change my curl pattern. So I'm gonna get a closure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it from the same hair company, because I've been getting all my closures that I've gotten over the years have been from the same place, which is Ellie Grace Hair from AliExpress. That's where I get all my closures from, and they're great. All of them are great. And they last me for a long time. They all last me. The only issue that I've had with them in the past is that, all closures do, they bald. Actually, but the one I have in my hair has been good for over a year. So, and it hasn't been balding. But I think it's because this is a unit and I take it off and on every day. I think prior to this, I've kept my units on, like they've been sewn on my head. So in this case, this is not sewn on my head. I put it on during the day. I take it off at night. And I think that prevents my closure from balding because I'm not constantly, combing it. I also go like weeks without wearing my wig. So yeah. But so these are the 3 bundles together. So a nice amount of hair. I feel like I'm gonna need a 4th bundle just because this is the hair together. Yeah, it's not a lot of hair. So I'm definitely gonna need a 4th bundle because it's not a lot. Although I haven't had straight hair in a minute, but I do want it to look natural, but I don't want it to look thin. I feel like natural and thin are 2 different things when it comes to straight hair. And I want the natural look, not the thin look, not that I can see through my hair. I've looked up reviews of Mayvenn hair, Brazilian natural straight. I feel like I haven't found a lot of reviews on the straight hair. I found a lot of reviews on their loose wave and their body wave, but for some reason I haven't seen a lot on their natural straight hair. So hopefully this can help somebody else out as well with seeing how their hair is before they purchase it, if you want to purchase it. I will definitely come back to let you guys know how it is once installed on a unit. But yes, so this is the hair again. Nice bounce. My hands run right through them. Again, let's try the shedding thing before we go. And no shedding. If it sheds, all hair sheds. Now, it depends if it's excessive shedding or if it's minimal shedding. That's a difference. Excessive, I can't do. I can't. I hate hair being on my floor. I hate when hair's on the bathroom. The bathroom floor blows me. I hate it. But yeah, so I will let you guys know once I install. I'll definitely come back and make a video of that. But until then, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.